Okay, so that is a city right there. It's kind of hard to see, but because there's still that chunk of cable laying in there, we can't really make that turn that well. So that cable is just like right underneath that thing that we can see, but the video won't see. So this is just, we're just gonna pull back. It's 114 feet from that clean out. So I zeroed my camera out at that clean out. That's another room. So this is just all old clay pipe. There's roots in quite a few of these joints, but a lot of them were really good too. There's like 3 that were really heavy. You know, like that one, you can see there's a lot sitting in there. You know what I mean? We're talking like completely impacted. That's just loose. Oh, that's a leaf. Let me kicking it in. That was a big root joint right there. And that staining on the top, I thought it was going to maybe be a crack, but I cleaned through it and it seems fine. I'm wondering if when they attached the pipes, maybe that was the bottom, like they attached above ground, or like some sort, I don't, you know, something like that. So that is the clean out that's outside.
Okay.
That's that one. It's about 30 feet out. And see, so now this is the stuff that was inside. So there's roots there. There's quite a bit of roots between. And I can't strongly enough suggest that when you clean it, you clean both every time.
Yeah.
Because the problem is like if you cut these away, they go down there and they hang up, you know. And if you only cut that away, then you know, then there's, yeah, it's kind of silly. I mean, you're here, you know. Maybe the equipment that we were able to use, I was able to just leave it out there, you know, and just bring it into each one of these windows. So, or into the window here. So it does a little turn right when it gets outside. Does 2 turns because, like you said, let's see here, where's that clean out? Right there. So it goes out and it's just kind of 45, 45. You know what I mean? So that's that thing that you feel over there, you know? So then we'll come back through here just so you can see it. So now we're negative footage. So this is like just stack entrances, an extra leaf that I left for you. Just different tie-ins and stuff, and that's probably whatever that is, you know. So, and that's that.
All right.